Hello guys, welcome back to BR Entertainer. How are you all? Our today's destination is Kristiansand. The city is named after Dano-Norwegian king Kristian IV, who founded it at 1641. Kristiansand is situated in the southeast part of the country. It is the fifth largest city of the country. Its population is around 115,569. It's a tourist hub in the summers. Around 900,000 people visit the city every summer.
This is Kristiansand, another city. I've figured it out where to go at this moment.